Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. This is in Watkins Glen Gray with Kalahari interior. It's a 3LT and it's got lots of features like this ground effects rear spoiler that looks like a Z06 spoiler. Inside the back, the customer has some accessories that are included, which is a factory car cover. It's got a windshield cover. It's got the books, the charger, as well as a flap here. This is a Corvette flap to protect the back. So check this out. Ready? Just a second. We'll just put that over there. So that goes over the back so that you don't scratch the trunk getting in and out of it. Now, is that cool or what? So let me just fold that back up. Corvette logo on it and everything. And just put that back in the trunk and close it away. So Watkins Glen Gray Metallic. You've got NPP performance exhaust, of course, because it's a Grand Sport. You can see that that's the carbon flash metallic, and that's the Watkins Glen Gray. There's a good show of the two colors together. It's got chrome wheels as well as painted red calipers. It's got cross-cut rotors with the larger brakes, larger wheels, stabilizer bars as part of the Grand Sport package. It's got the GT seats in it, so the competition GT seats. Those are the comps with the carbon fiber on the top there. Much higher bolsters for added comfort, keeping you in the car. It's got the Grand Sport floor mats in it and multifunction seats, which are adjustable in the fact that the side bolsters and the lumbar supports are adjustable right there. And it's got the suede microfiber seat inserts in it. So that goes two ways. You can see that. So you can see that it's microfiber suede. Have a look in the door frames as I get in. Of course, the glove box, I showed you the books are in the back already. It's got the Bose sound system. It's got the Kalahari stitching as well, which was an option. And then it's got the Alcantara on the A-pillar and on the sun visors there. Let me climb out and show you over here. It's got the exposed carbon fiber on the backs here on the waterfall. And look at that waterfall. Wow, that's just classic Corvette, just gorgeous. And down here you can see the side skirts on it that match the spoiler on the back, so the Z06 style ground effects, as well as the front chin strap down there is another feature also. And then under here you've got your dry sump oil on 460 horsepower V8. It's got a Grand Sport logo embedded in the hood liner, which was also an option. And let me close this. And then it's got the Ford racing stripes on the Stinger stripe in the middle there. And down here, not a mark on the car. Front cameras, rear cameras. I can't find a stone chip. I can't find a mark to tell you about. I'm sure there's one somewhere, but I can't find one. Here's your chrome wheel, no issues, no there, nothing. And there is the Corvette Racing logo on the wheel caps, along with the red painted calipers and the side skirts. And I love that vent, the Grand Sport vent. That is so cool. And then the air braking vent on the back here. And then have a look there. Back wheel, no curb rash, no issues. There's so many options on this car. I keep going on and on and on. It's got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks, power mirrors there. It's got heads-up display. It's got a carbon fiber dash there. So a dash surround is carbon fiber. And carbon fiber in the seats also as part of those competition GT seats. And then it's got carbon fiber in the steering wheel with the Alcantara around it. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. It's got microfiber suede shift knob, microfiber steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic, heads-up display over here, power convertible top, I'll show you in just a minute, frameless mirror up there with OnStar built into it. Let me just show you the backup camera, forward cameras, and then it's got, let me hit home and just go to here and show you it has the PDR right there. It's got Apple CarPlay as well as factory navigation. Okay, so full nav. Here's your cup holders, here's your cigarette lighter, or should we call it a cell phone charger, and in here are two USB ports as well as another charging system in there. So it's got all the features that you'd ever want. It is just a gorgeous car. Let me put up the top. I'll just show you that in action. Waterfall's going to come back down. Beautiful. Done. So, thing of beauty. So I'll just put up the power windows so that I can show you that in action. They're a little bit wet, no big deal. How about that? Is that awesome or what? So it's got just 8,596 kilometers on it. And listen to this. Wow, what a car. So there it is with the front with the headlights on, the roof up. I'll walk you down the side so you can see there's no marks, no damage, no scratches, no dings. There is no damage on this car to speak of at all. Nothing. Listen to that rumble. Look at that. Down the side. Wow. What a car. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT with ground effects, chrome wheels, stinger stripes, GT competition seats. Oh my goodness, the guy just ticked every box on this car. That's incredible. It's here and available at HUDMunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.